everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the new Fenty Skin skincare line. If you are interested in seeing the full skincare line and my first impressions and first time demoing how to use the skincare line, then just keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Vanessa and I do all sorts of videos. So today I will be doing a video on Fenty Skin. Now Fenty Skin released on July 31st officially. But if you signed up for their newsletter, they did give you access to purchase the line a few days earlier. Now the Fenty Beauty skin line consists of a three-step process. All three items are supposed to be hybrids, which in turn should cut down the time of your skincare regimen, whether it's in the morning or at night. The first product is a cleanser and a makeup remover, and this is what it looks like. The second product is a serum and a toner, and this is what that bottle looks like. The third product is a moisturizer and has SPF, so also sunscreen. And this is what the box looks like. Now the third item is the one that comes in the reusable tube. So this is part of it, and then when you initially purchase it, this is where the product comes in. So you're supposed to be able to just snap it in. Oh, and yeah, it clicked. You snap it in and that's it, you use it. Now, if I need to replace this, all I would do is buy the cartridge that goes in and not the outer sleeve anymore. So this is the third product. So I have had these products since like beginning of August. I did purchase them a few days earlier with that early access. But I haven't been able to really sit down and do a first impressions and show you guys what the products really look like. And actually this came at a really good time because originally I was using another three-step product or line from Caudalie. And I purchased that back in February, and I literally just finished everything not long ago. So I did need a new cleanser, a new moisturizer. I did really love the fact that this particular moisturizer has SPF, and everyone keeps talking about the white cast. This SPF is really good for different skin tones because it doesn't leave that white cast that most sunscreens tend to give you. So I'm really excited about that because I have been trying to incorporate sunscreen into my daily routine. And yeah, I'm really excited for the cleanser. I hear it's not very drying or stripping, which I usually tend to have a problem with cleansers on that. And then also for the fat water, which is the serum and the toner, because who doesn't love a 2-in-1? I don't have to use a toner and then a serum, I can cut down my process. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to use it. I just got out of the shower not long ago, and I on purpose didn't wash my face because I didn't want to overwash. And I am going to apply the cleanser, wipe it off, and then, you know, show you guys how all of the other steps work, and let you guys know about the fragrance and all that stuff, okay? All right, so let's get right into it. Okay, step one, we're gonna go ahead and use the cleanser. Now, it doesn't have a cap that you remove. It's like a twist off cap. So you twist it and then you squirt it. My face is really dry, so I have a bottle of water right in front of me that I'm just spraying in my hands, and then I'm patting the water down just so it's a little damp. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze a little bit of that. I may have used quite a bit, but haven't washed my face, so we're gonna go with it. And then I am going to swirl it around and then start applying it. I'm swirling it around. Sorry, I know you can't understand me. I'm swirling it around, and then I'm gonna start applying it on my face. All right, so the texture is very creamy. I hear if you keep putting water on that you can lather it up, but I don't have, I'm not in front of a sink right now, so I'm gonna have to test that when I go rinse it. But it is kind of thick, and it kind of feels like a cream. And it does have a bit of fragrance, which I don't mind, but I tend to avoid products that have too strong a fragrance because I do have some sensitivity around my nose, and sometimes certain products make that area flare up. So I will have to see if it reacts with my skin later on. But besides that, the fragrance isn't too bad. I don't know why, to me, it kind of smells like cotton candy a little bit, which is kind of weird. But I don't mind it. So I am gonna go to the sink and rinse this off really quickly because it is drying up really fast, and then I will be right back, okay? All right, so I am back, and I'm gonna put my hair up really quickly and finish drying my face. Okay, so when I went to the sink and I added more water, the lather did come back, and it was a pretty rich lather, which I liked. And then also I noticed that when I was rinsing it, it didn't leave like a streaky feeling film. I don't know if you guys have ever gotten that from a cleanser, but I know I have from another skincare line. And I really hate that feeling. So right now I still haven't put anything on my face, and it doesn't feel super dry or like stretchy feeling yet. So I'm gonna quickly move on to the next step, which is gonna be the toner slash serum, and that's called the fat water. And that has the same type of top to where you kind of pop on and off, so you don't actually remove the entire cap, and it has a little hole, and you literally just put some on your hand, move it around. I may have put too much, but we're gonna use it all. And I'm gonna put it all over my chest, my face, like everywhere. It's really hot right now too. I live in Los Angeles and we have been going through a heat wave. I've really been wanting to film, but I've been putting it off because it's been so hot and I don't want to move. So even though it's hot, it's also, I feel kind of drying, like if you're not out in the heat sweating. So anyway, this is helpful. So I went ahead and put that all over my face. It feels like it is pretty absorbed. Kind of sticky right now. Maybe moisturized, or yeah, I don't know. It feels a little sticky. The scent is very similar to the cleanser, but I don't feel like it's as strong, even though the cleanser wasn't too strong. But if you're trying to compare how the scents are, it was just a tad bit less than the cleanser. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more before, just a tad bit more before. It smells good. It doesn't smell bad. Yeah, just so it's not super dry right now, that we put on the moisturizer. Now the next step is going to be the moisturizer. So this is a 2-in-1. It is a moisturizer, but it is also a sunscreen, the SPF 30. So I went ahead and did a few pumps. It is like a light pink color. It feels very thick. And the fragrance, again, isn't that strong. I am just gonna make sure that I moisturize my entire face. And all the leftovers I put all over my neck too, and chest, because you can't forget that area. Alright, so I'm going back and making sure that it is all blended. And that's it. So I blended out all of the moisturizer. The scent isn't too strong again. It feels right now moisturized, but I will have to check in a little later and see how well it soaks in. The problem that I've been having is that I do really have to pack on the moisturizer sometimes, because my face has been a little bit more drier than usual. And then that leaves me to feeling more greasy, or looking more greasy, even when I'm not greasy. I'm just literally moisturized. And then if I put too much around my nose area, I don't know if you can tell, it's a little bit red right here, and that's because I get this contact dermatitis, I believe it's called, from wearing my glasses, my seeing glasses or my sunglasses. If there's too much moisture there and then I have my glasses on top, it'll start feeling super itchy, and then I'll have like little breakouts that then I have to put some medication on. So that is one of my major problems. Like, I want to be moisturized, but I don't want to be super greasy, because then I want to prevent what's going on in my nose area. So in conclusion, what are my thoughts? My thoughts are, I like the fragrance. I don't think it's too strong for me, at least, and I'm very sensitive to fragrance, even in my detergents. Detergent, lotions, things like that. I am very sensitive. I have gotten little rashes before from certain things that I've used, so I tend to be very careful on what I put on myself. So I don't mind the fragrance for this. It's not that strong, and it's not unbearable. I'm very sensitive to fragrance too, where it gives me headaches. So I don't think this will give me a headache, but I will have to report back, because this is my first time actually using these products since I got them. I do like the fact that they are all 2-in-1. So even though it's 3 products that you're using, it really is like 6 products that you're technically using. So if you have any makeup on, it's supposed to help remove the makeup. I haven't tested that out. I will test it out in the future and then report back and let you guys know. But I do like that it removes your makeup and cleanses your face. Maybe you want to do it a couple times. And then the toner doubles as a serum, which is nice. And then the moisturizer also has SPF, or doubles as sunscreen. So you're using 6 products, but in 3 products. So I do like the convenience of it. And right now that, I've been working from home, obviously I'm not in a rush to run out the door, but this is still very convenient because it's less steps that I have to do in the morning or at night. So I will be reporting back. As for now, my first impressions is I really do like the line. I like the way all the products feel. I haven't, like I said, I need to do an all-day wear test on the moisturizer and see how it really soaks into my skin and all that. But for now, it is a thumbs up for me. Well, that is it for now. Don't forget to give me a like if you actually enjoy this type of content. Comment down below and let me know if you're a fan of Fenty Beauty, and if you jumped on the bandwagon just like me and purchased these products as soon as they came out. Have you tried them? Do you like them? Let me know your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I come out with new videos. And I do post videos every single week. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Is a hybrid 3-step skincare line. Now the Fenty Beauty Skin. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into it.